Hi, Areg again here from Cycle Maintenance Academy. If you had a bike accident and after inspecting the rear derailleur you discover that the B-tension adjusting screw plate is permanently damaged, there's no need to worry. There's a chance this can be fixed without the need to replace the entire mechanism. In this video I'll guide you through checking if your derailleur can be repaired, demonstrate how to replace the damaged B-screw plate, and provide tips on finding the right replacement part. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Before you can replace the B-screw plate on your derailleur, you need to check if you can source a spare part. First, find the model number. It is usually etched on the back of the derailleur body and starts RD. This stands for rear derailleur. Now go to the si.shimano website and type the model number in the search box. Choose the EV Exploded View PDF file. Find the B-axle assembly and copy its code. Pass the code into your web search and the sellers with the exact part will be listed. Tools required: 5mm Allen key, flathead screwdriver, pair of pliers, hammer or mallet, isopropyl alcohol, grease, rags or a paper towel. Preparation. First, remove the rear mech. If you're not sure how to do this, I have a helpful video here on detaching and refitting a rear derailleur. There's also a link to this video in the description below. Removing damaged B-screw plate. Using a 5mm Allen key, rotate the B-axle to align the open side of the B-axle stop ring opposite to the open section of the B-tension screw plate. With one hand, place your index finger on the B-axle head and press the side of the B-tension screw plate using your thumb. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently extract the B-axle stop ring. Use pliers to lift the plate slightly and twist it clockwise to release the spring tension. Detach the stopper plate from the spring. Remove the seal and the spring. Take out the axle. If it resists, use a hammer or mallet to gently tap it for removal. Proceed to remove the axle seal. Fitting new B-screw plate. Using an isopropyl alcohol, clean the area where the B-axle and the spring sit in the derailleur. Apply grease to the B-axle and tension spring. Fit the new B-axle seal and the axle. Insert the longer end of the spring, making sure that it slides into the hole in the derailleur body. Place the second seal over the spring. Attach the B-tension screw plate, ensuring that the shorter end of the spring fits into the hole in the plate. Use pliers to twist the B-screw plate anti-clockwise until the claw on the stopper plate passes beyond the claw on the B-body. Press and hold the side of the B-tension screw plate with your thumb and slide the stop ring back into place. And that's it! You have successfully replaced a damaged B-screw plate on your derailleur. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below whether you found the information in this video useful. If you liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe, like it and share it with your friends. And if you feel extra generous, you can support me by offering a small donation through the Super Thanks button below this video. Thanks, and see you very soon!